We're opening the box. Oh!
Whoa! Lemon haze. Blue lights. Lemon haze for Mr. Nature.
For Mr. Nature, y'all.
Watermelon kush for Mr. Nature. Blue lights Gorilla Glue for Mr. Nature.
What's this?
And joint relief. Vape juice. They seem amazing.
They smell good. Dragon fruit, double apple I think is my favourite smelling one. And sweet strawberry.
And then like these are just like next level. The watermelon kush.
This one.
It smells so
Yeah.
good. Like these ones smells like real weed.
This smells so sweet and candy-like. It's almost not allowed.
It's like the cheapest CBD, whatever, what do you say it, distributor.
Yeah, and good
in
quality.
Sweden, and good quality, and happy, loving, like nature-loving man that created the company. So it's like a win-win-win. So it's like a win-win-win. So it's win-win in every kind of situation.
What's up, nature lovers? Now we got the tiny joint rolled. It's pure CBD. It's the Gorilla Glue and the watermelon kush. Tastes good.
Yeah.
Better than a lot of weeds these days.
Yeah, it does taste nice.
I feel something just from taking a few puffs of this. Like, not stoned, not like boink into a meditative state, more like
Chill.
a physical relaxation almost. And it's good for you.